Menus are an integral part of the WordPress experience. They direct your readers to the different sections of your site. Menu items can be pages, plugin contents, post-category contents, and more. By default, you have one uncustomizable menu, and that's enough for many WordPress users. However, if you have a site that you're heavily customizing and want to specify exactly how your menus look and what they contain, you'll need to head over to the Appearance menu and the Menus link. Here, you can create a new custom menu. Let's create one now and add some items to it. We'll call it Our Menu and click Create Menu. Now we can begin editing our menu. If we were to use this right now, it would be completely useless because it has nothing in it. We'll need to specify items in the menu and tell the theme where the menu is located. In page lines, we have 3 places to put a menu, and we can have a different menu in each location. The primary website navigation is the horizontal menu at the top of the WordPress page. Page navigation in footer columns is the menu in your sidebar. Page navigation in the simple footer section is at the bottom of the page. If you have 3 different menus that you want to use for these locations, you can specify each in the drop-down menu provided. Many people use the same menu for all 3, or only specify 1 or 2. This reduces the chances that readers will be confused by your navigation structure. The Custom Links box allows us to add a custom URL to our menu. This could be useful if you wanted to create a link to something on another domain, or you may want to link to a plugin that creates content at a specific URL. Some plugins provide the equivalent of a page by themselves, without you having to create the page and add a shortcode. This is a good way to add a link to those in your main navigation menu. Below that, we can add pages to our menu. By default, all published pages appear in the default menu, but since we're creating a new menu, we'll need to add those manually. Next, we can add a category link that will take the reader to a page that lists only the posts in a certain category or subcategory. And finally, the box sets options allows us to link to a box set, which is a page lines feature. Once you've added the items you wish to add to your menu, they'll appear on the right, so let's add some pages. If we click the checkboxes next to the pages we want and click Add to Menu, they appear in the menu on the right. If you want to change the order, all you have to do is drag and drop the items where you want them. Each item can be expanded to reveal some further options. We can change the title if we want to say something besides the title of your page, and the title attribute, which is the text displayed below the cursor when someone mouses over the link. The title attribute can be very useful in adding relevant information not only for the readers, but for search engines to index, so keep that in mind. Now, click Save Menu, and we're finished. In our next lesson, we'll look at how you can use widgets to enhance your site.